Okay. So what is self-relationship? Hemlata madam, what is self-relationship in Salesforce?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam.
Relationship are used to establish connected between two or more objects. Self relationship is a same object. Child and parent both are same, sir.
Yeah, madam. Examples.
Example, student object, student table. Student అనేది parent object. Student అనేది child object, sir. కాదా సార్?
Correct, madam. But Kaptinka, you are not giving proper answer. Okay, but
Okay,
you can
sir.
give properly. Okay, no, madam.
Okay.
So, Seventy, madam, tell me. You know what is the self-relationship? You don't know, right? You not attend the previous classes. No problem. So, Malasri, tell me, what is self-relationship?
No, sir. Only
Yes, sir.
completed 7 videos on.
Okay, ma'am. Today and tomorrow you can complete.
Okay.
Malasri, tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
madam.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
One record is related to another record within the same object, sir. It is called a self-relationship.
Okay.
For example, we take the student table.
Yeah. Tell me, madam. Go ahead. చెప్పండి.
Sir, I will take 4 minutes, sir.
You will take 4 minutes, huh?
Sorry, sir. Few minutes, sir.
Few minutes. చదువుకోవాలి మా బాగా ఏం చెప్తారు అర్థం కంటే వాట్ యూ డిడ్ సాటర్డే సండే ఏం చేశారు సాటర్డే సండే మీరు మళ్ళీ
సార్ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ అని కొంచెం చూసుకున్నాం సార్.
ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్ యువర్ జాయినింగ్ రెగ్యులర్ రైట్ వై యువర్ టేకింగ్ నౌ వై యువర్ టేకింగ్
లేదు సార్, అంటే అన్ని ప్రిపేర్ అయినాం సార్. అది ఎందుకు అవన్నీ అంటే
యువర్ నాట్ గివింగ్ ఆన్సర్
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూసుకోలేదు సార్. అందుకు
ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ రియల్ టైమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆల్సో మేడం. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ two like brothers are there, okay, they are in the same school, right? For example, Maharashtra is there, Nagavani is there, okay? So your sister and your sister is Nagavani. You are in the same college, example, Narayana College. How you can relate to you, both you? So in that case, what you have to do is you have to create a relationship with the same object, student. You are the student, your sister also student. So what you can do, you can create one relationship called sister. The same object, self relationship. Correct, na?
yes sir.
Example. Otherwise, you can leave it. We have example, default examples. Account, parent account. Tell me what is account and parent account?
Account, parent account is a main account, sir. Child account is a sub account, sir.
Similarly, example, if you take IBM company, IBM is their main branch is there in USA. But
Yes,
same IBM is exists in India also, right? Both are companies only. Same company
yes,
only. Same IBM company exists in Hyderabad also, Bangalore also, correct?
yes sir.
So these are all nothing but accounts, but we have relationship between each account, right? So what is the relationship means? So IBM USA is the main account. Under that IBM USA, child account is IBM India. Under IBM India, again we have IBM Hyderabad. Under IBM Hyderabad, again we have IBM Anantapur. Under IBM Anantapur, we have again IBM Malyam also. You can create one company. Understand me? So that is
Yes,
all
sir.
our accounts only. That is like a relationship, hierarchy relationship. Like campaign, parent campaign. Okay. Okay. So Prabhu Kiran sir, tell me what is lookup relationship? Prabhu Kiran sir, interesting మీకు?
Yes, sir.
What
I
is
did
lookup?
not attend the last class, sir, but I just went through this one.
I think so many people are not completed that two assignments also, self relationship and lookup relationship, right? Why is that so
Yes,
many
sir.
people not completed? Sanjay, Hemlata. Maharashtra, you have completed that assignment, self relationship
Yes,
and
sir. Yes, sir. I did, sir.
but not shared in group, huh?
Yes, sir.
So please compute why you are getting 2 days time, still you are not getting 2 fields. Then how you will get a? Subhareddy, what is lookup relationship? Subhareddy, what is lookup
Hello,
relationship?
sir.
Tell me. Tell me, sir.
Lookup relation like one object to create other object, and we can create to child to 40 parent relationships, and
Okay.
this is loosely coupled relationship, and if parent cat is deleted to child, like a child, if child is not deleted, sir, and we can create 25 lookups per one object, and both will have separate owners, sir.
Yeah, parent will not control the child record. So that's why you're calling it is a lookup relationship, loosely coupled. Okay. So please practice everyone. Okay. Tomorrow I can ask all the questions. Okay, sir. Okay. So today we'll discuss about master data relationship. Okay. Okay. So what is master data relationship? Okay. So say master data also connecting to the one object to other object. Okay. For example, if you take one real-time example, sir. Okay. For example, if you take order, right, we have order line items or invoice line items. Okay. So what will happen? So if you invoice line items will be there without invoice. ఉంటుందా సార్ అలాగా ఇన్వాయిస్ లైన్ ఐటమ్స్ డైరెక్ట్గా ఉంటాయా వాట్ ఆర్ ద లైక్ దట్ సేమ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ we have like order items without courses can we have students ఉండొచ్చు అట్లా స్టూడెంట్స్ కోర్సెస్ లేకుండా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటారు అట్లా అలాగా
No.
సార్ నో student table courses table both table we have can we create students can we join students without courses ఏం కోర్స్ ఇవ్వకుండా they can join us in the course no right they should take some courses either MBA MCA whatever it may be so that is called tightly coupled okay so what is the meaning of master detail sir it is called tightly coupled okay so it is also one object to other object if you want to connect one data table to other data table and this is also like same child to parent relationship okay and it is tightly coupled so tightly coupled means what is the meaning of tightly coupled is so previously you mentioned it is loosely coupled in the lookup relationship tightly coupled means so ownership whatever the parent have owner right same owner can control the child record for example I am creating one student Mahesh okay for that Mahesh I am just assigned to the course example MBA course so for MBA course who is the owner the same owner can control the child record also but in lookup relationship what will happen both can have a ownership independent also they cannot dependent each other okay so that is called lookup relationship okay for example if you take Amazon sir if you take Amazon example I'm saying lookup relationship okay once you create Amazon account you can give the reviews right in the Amazon right if for your account you purchase some product what you can do the product is good or bad whatever you want you can give rating some reviews 5 or whatever it may be for example after 2 days what you are doing is you are deleting Amazon account what will happen sir if your review also delete होता है reviews में इच्छिनట్టుగా rating or whatever it may be or not delete
Will delete.
will
delete, sir.
మీరు ఇచ్చిన రివ్యూస్ డిలీట్ అవుతాయి ఆటోమేటిక్ గా అమెజాన్ లో ఆఫ్టర్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
అంటే
after
like
deleting
but the username will be disappeared, sir. Comment will be
but-
there.
yeah that's what I'm saying reviews will be there right whatever you are giving
Yeah.
so that is like loosely coupled so even though if your account is deleted your review will not delete correct so that is like loosely coupled something like that So master detail is not like that. So it is like a tightly coupled. So if you delete a other parent record, a child record also will delete. For example, if you take a hospital, sir. So hospital, we have patients also. Okay. So when hospital is open, it is working. That time what will happen? You can store your patient's information, all their details. Okay. For example, if hospital is closed, okay, still you maintain that patient's information, sir.
Yes.
Hospital close అయిపోయినప్పుడు close means completely shut down, madam. Close means not
Okay.
evening closing. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Okay.
సో క్లోజింగ్ మీన్స్ ఏంటంటే అప్పుడు ఈ మార్నింగ్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ఈవినింగ్ క్లోజ్ చేయడం కాదు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ క్లోజ్డ్. ఓకే. సో దట్ టైమ్ ఆల్సో విల్ మెయింటైన్ స్టూడెంట్ డేటా, ఆల్ దట్ అగైన్ దట్ హాస్పిటల్ రిలేటెడ్ పేషెంట్స్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మెయింటైన్
No,
చేస్తారా?
No, sir.
వై విల్ మెయింటైన్ మేడం? హాస్పిటల్ లేకున్నప్పుడు ఇంక పేషెంట్స్ ఏం పని మీకు? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
No, yes, sir.
ఓకే. సో దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ tightly coupled. I'm just giving like some real time examples, madam. Okay, don't confuse. This is like just giving real time example. ఎలా ఉంటుంది రిలేషన్షిప్ అంటే? ఓకే. సో హాస్పిటల్ లేకున్నప్పుడు why you will maintain patients data? Not required, right? So whenever hospital is open, you should maintain all the information, the hospital, their patients information. Once hospital is closed, you don't need the patient data. That is called tightly coupled. Hospital ఉంటే పేషెంట్స్ ఉంటారు, you need to maintain data. If hospital లేకున్నప్పుడు you no need to maintain patients data, all their information, right? If hospital is closed, patients also you can delete. Okay. But in the Amazon and reviews, what will happen? If you delete Amazon account, your review will not delete, madam. It will be there. Understand? That is lookup relationship. Okay, I'm just giving real time example. Don't give these examples in the interview, madam. Otherwise, they will think differently. Okay. ఇలాంటి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చెప్పకండి. You have to say in real time means like account, contact object, your Salesforce object, right? You have to explain that object, not this object. Amazon reviews, hospital, all this. Understand everyone? అర్థమవుతుందా? Hello? Again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. This is also child to parent relationship. It is tightly coupled. Tightly coupled means, so hospital ఉంటేనే patients ఉంటారు. If hospital is not there, there is no patients. Okay. If you delete hospital, patient's data also will be deleted. But in the lookup relationship, if you delete your Amazon account, your review will not delete. It will be there. Okay. Understand, sir? You are deleting your account only, Amazon account only. Now you are not deleting Amazon website, right? That's why it will be there. Okay. So ఇంకా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పాలంటే, so if you take a car, okay, sir, and driver. The car can exist without driver also. Yes or no, sir? Car compulsory driver galla. Even car also should be there, right? Without driver also we can buy just car, right? So that is also like a one type of lookup relationship. Okay. Even car, we have driver also. Even if there is no driver, car can be there. Without, if you, okay, for example, driver is not there, like car also not like that. Okay. Something like lookup relationship, I'm saying. Okay. So child to parent relationship, it is like tightly coupled. What I can say is, in the lookup relationship, how many lookups we can get, sir, per object?
25.
25. Okay. But in master detail, we can create two MDs. Two MDs and two master details relationship per object. Understand, sir? Okay. So here, parent is mandatory. Okay, sir. Parent record is compulsory. Okay. If you are going into hospital, okay. So if you are curating patient record, that time you should choose that hospital name. Otherwise, if you take doctor also, if you are going to the patient hospital, so you should choose doctor based on your disease, right? Manku vachina problems batti we have to select the doctor. But doctor you are going, so doctor is mandatory for the patient in the hospital, right? So similarly, for patient, doctor is mandatory. Similarly, it is like that's nothing but a master detail relationship. When I'm entering patient form in my hospital application, I should choose doctor also. If there is, without doctor, we cannot get only patient data, right? Without doctor, why will just go patient to the hospital and he will come back, right? If he's going to hospital means he should get the doctor's information, doctor's data also. Understand, sir? అర్థమవుతుందా what I'm saying? అర్థమవుతుందో లేదో నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Understood.
here parent is mandatory in the master-detail relationship. Okay. So what will happen? If we delete a parent record, child also delete automatically. Because as I mentioned, it is like a tightly coupled. Okay, sir. As I mentioned.
Can you maximize the screen, Vara?
Now, we cannot maximize. This is like online notepad, madam. But I can increase the size. You can see right now.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, better.
This is because if I use sometimes notepad plus, no, sometimes I cannot add notes in this place. So if I add notes directly here, so directly you can use this link whenever you want. That's why I'm using this now instead of notepad plus.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, madam. So if we delete parent record, child also delete automatically in the master data relationship. Okay, sir. And so here we have one more benefit is in the master data relationship. Here we can create roll-up summary fields. Okay. What is the meaning of roll-up summary fields? Okay. For example, if we take one more example, we have an invoice. Okay. We have a invoice line items. Okay, sir. So invoice is nothing but example. If you take a quote instead of invoice, you can take simple example quote products. Can we assign multiple products to the one quote? Yes or no? Yes, or we can assign only one product to the one quote.
Multiple products.
Multiple products, right? So quote product is a child object. Okay, one quote can have multiple quote products. Okay, so not what is the quote product, sir? Generally, what quote product will contain? What is the information it will contain? Quote products means. ఏముంటుంది కోడ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ నార్మల్గా quotation. So code products means it is a product information, sir. Okay, whatever the customer is selected, that product information will be available in the code products, like product name, product code, and product price, right, sir? And discount, something we can have all the information in the pricing and everything, right? That is code product. So normally what will happen? One code can have a multiple code products. Okay, for example, assume this is a master detail. This is child object. This is a parent object. Okay. So what will happen? If you want to know like how many code products are there for the quote, either 5 is there, 6 is there, 10 is there, 100 is there. You want to calculate automatically in the quote level, right? So that time what you can do, you can just create sum of quote products. So not sum, you can just take a count, total count of quote products, right? So this is nothing but a roll up. Okay, automatically this is something like one roll up field. Here what will happen is automatically how many there? For example, for under this code, there are total 10 products, automatically it will display 10 number in the parent level. For example, here is the price is there. For each product, you can have some price, right? Like $100, $200, etc., etc., etc. So if you want to display total price, all the price you want to calculate and you want to display in the code, that is nothing but a total price, right? So these things are like a count to total, maximum, minimum. All these type of fields we can call as a roll-up summary. So generally we can create roll-up summaries in the master detail relationship and the parent object. Okay, for that particular quote, how many products are there? For that particular quote, what is the total quote product, total amount you want to display in the parent, the quote level, right? Like what is the maximum? For example, that quote have 100 products. Which product is having maximum price? Which product is having minimum price? Right? All those things like calculations if you want to do, that we can do using a master detail relationship. Okay, that we'll discuss once I'm creating a setup. Okay, so now we'll go to our org now. So I think in the last class, what we did is we created the self relationship, right? To the same object, self lookup, student to student, account to account, campaign to campaign, self lookup. In the self lookup, child object, parent object, both are same. Both tables are same, right? So, and we have created lookup also. In the lookup means, in the lookup relationship, child object is different, parent object data table is different. For example, student to teacher in this case, right? So now what we can do is we can create some relationship between student to course. Okay, we have any courses now? So we have already MBA course. Click on all. I'll create one more course called MBA, MCA. Okay. So here, so there are so many interview questions will come when you are applying for admin job. Okay. The first question is, sir, tell me, sir, in the lookup relationship, parent is mandatory or not mandatory? In the lookup relationship, parent field is mandatory or not mandatory?
Not mandatory.
Not mandatory. Correct?
Not mandatory.
Yes.
Correct. In the master detail,
It's mandatory.
parent mandatory. So now we are creating master detail relationship, right? Now we are creating master detail relationship from which object to which object, sir? ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నుంచి ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం? స్టూడెంట్ చెప్పండి సార్. స్టూడెంట్ టు విచ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్? కోర్స్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో ఐ వాంట్ టు కనెక్ట్ నౌ స్టూడెంట్ టు కోర్స్ టేబుల్. సో బట్ ఇన్ ద మాస్టర్ డీటెయిల్, what is happened? Parent is mandatory. Okay, just remember this point. Parent is mandatory. But already, if I create now student to course relationship, master detail relationship, now already student have some, already some students are there. None are there present. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
But the students already course is added now or not added till now? Already existing connection is there or not exist now? Student to course. No present even connection? No.
No, sir.
Right? So now we are creating new connection from student to course. Right? But in this case, what is happening? Parent is mandatory. If I create now relationship, what about the sales record? Actually, master detail, in the master detail, parent is mandatory. Now, if I'm creating new relationship from student to course, the existing students have parent, don't have parent, that course. Then existing students. Yes,
No.
sir. No. What will happen? Consider చేస్తున్నారని మళ్ళీ. ఓకే సార్, మీకు ఇప్పుడు అర్థమవుతుంది కొంచెం. So present existing students don't have a courses. Now I want to create a relationship from student to course. Go to the fields and relationship. Click on new button. Choose the master detail relationship. Okay, sir. Click next button. I'll choose a course object. Okay. So student is a child object. Course is the parent. So it is the master detail relationship. Click next. So I'll give a same label, course only. So this is a child relationship name in the course layout. You can see this like this. This is the related list name. Okay. The remaining this we'll discuss later. Just leave it as it is now. Click next. So by default, this checkbox is checked, sir. In this, sir. By default, this visible checkbox is checked here in this relationship.
Here, parent object is mandatory.
Correct. So in the master detail, parent is mandatory. So parent is mandatory means what? So everyone needs to see the parent this field. If you don't see, they cannot see this field. How they can enter the data? Right? So that's why by default Salesforce is enabled the checkbox to all the profiles, so that whenever you are creating student record, you should select the course. Course is a master detail. Master detail means parent is the required field. So that's why by default, you cannot uncheck also this one. Okay. Next. So we need to add this course field into the student layout. Next. So similarly, this related list also, we need to add it into the course layout. Both the layouts. Click save. Now it will save or not save. Can somebody read this message, sir? Can be the screen? Anyone can read this message now? Kusuma, can you read this message? What you are seeing now in the screen?
Yes, sir. Cannot
Cheppandi,
create
madam.
master detail relationship. You cannot create a new master detail relationship on an existing custom object if records already exist.
Stop,
You
madam.
must first
Stop,
create
stop,
a
stop. No.
yes.
Stop it. Don't go next line. What is the meaning of this line?
You
ఏమంటారు madam?
cannot create
New master relationship on
existing custom objects.
అంటే ఏంటి
Custom
madam?
object. If records no, sir. Actually, in last class సరిగా attend కాలేదు.
పర్లేదు మేడం. ఓకే. లైక్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ ఇస్ లైక్ ఆల్ ఆర్ లైక్ యువర్ ఆల్ ఆర్ న్యూ టు ద ఐటీ సార్. ఓకే. ఏం పర్లేదు. సో బట్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ ఇస్ యూ షుడ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇట్. ఓకే. మీకు ప్రెసెంట్ అర్థం కాకపోయినా if you do more practice, definitely will understand. Okay, even when I'm learning Salesforce in the initial days, 2015 like that, even I like a struggle more actually. How like I confused completely what is lookup relationship, what is master detail. Okay, so problem ledu. I know you are like all are new to the IT, but like don't think like I'm like not understanding like that. But we have to practice more, sir. If you do practice more, definitely you'll understand everything. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, బట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇఫ్ యూర్ నాట్ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్, డెఫినెట్లీ విల్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఫర్ మీ లైక్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ వెన్ ఐ లర్న్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ admin, because that time like creating lookup and relationship and master data also, like I took my other people's help, even this small thing. Okay, at least you are all good, you are doing self, you are doing all assignments like a self only, right? You are not taking other person's help most of the time, I think. So don't think like that, okay, madam? So you can easily understand. I know because all are new to the IT. Some people here, 50% of people. But no problem. But you should practice it, madam. Okay, practice and definitely, it is not that much big. Okay, madam. So IT job is not that much difficult compared to government jobs. Okay, anyone can easily get this IT jobs. Okay. So I have seen so many people. They don't know how to create relationship. They are getting like some huge package in the market. So that's why. What I'm saying is just practice it. That's it. Okay, now what you think? Okay, I'm confusing relationship, so many things. In life, it will be like that only. Daily, you do like a practice, and you can take some real-time examples. You can do the more research in Google. This is a very small topic. After 6 months, 1 year, it is a very small topic. Okay. Okay, sir. Any other? Deepa, tell me what you understood on this by saying this line.
Sir,
Tell me, Subbared, you are.
ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న కస్టమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కు మాస్టర్ డీటెయిల్ రిలేషన్ క్రియేట్ చేయలేము సార్. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ సార్. యాక్చువల్ రికార్డ్
Correct, sir. Correct, sir. So what is the meaning of this line is, sir? So already this custom object is having records. Which records? Student records, right, sir? So already this object is having custom child records. You cannot create a master detail. Why you cannot create master detail? Because master detail means parent is mandatory. Master detail means what? Parent is mandatory. So these child records don't have a parent. Yes or no? Which already course is there or not? No, sir.
No.
No. So that's why it is giving error message. So this error message is, so if this custom object is already having child records, so you cannot create a master detail. So what is the alternative then? If you want to get master detail now, even if child record exists, what is the alternative you can do, sir? Same alternative say. So they are giving alternative also. What is the alternative they are giving, sir? Can someone read this message? Can someone read this message?
You must first create a lookup relationship, populate the lookup field with the data in all records, and then change the relationship type to master detail.
Correct. So So why they are saying first create lookup relationship, sir? Madam?
Because the
Lookup
parent is not mandatory.
Correct. Example. Right. So in the lookup relationship, parent is mandatory?
No.
No. So that's why what they are saying, what they are giving suggestion. If child records there, you cannot create master detail. So there is one more approach. What you can do? Create lookup relationship between the student and course first. Okay. Student ki course ki create lookup relationship. Then populate lookup fields, sir. Lookup fields ante once you create lookup relationship, course will come here. Right. That course you can choose all the courses for the existing students. Right. Once you populate all the courses here, then all the child records have parent data. Yes or no? Once you create a lookup relationship to the course, then what you have to do? Populate the course data here, all the course information. Once the data is there for course data is there here, all the child records have course data, then you can convert easily to the master detail. Understand, sir? Ardhamainda? What is the meaning of this? So we'll do same thing now. Go to the fields and relationship, click a new button. Instead of master detail, we'll create a lookup relationship. Next button, course object, click next. Okay, course. So parent is not mandatory by default, the lookup relationship. Still, if you want to make it, you can make it using this option, but by default, it is not required. Lookup relationship, parent is not required. So here, I'll make it visible to all the persons, all the profiles, click next. So I will add this course field to the student layout, click next. So same, in the course also, you can see the students related list in the child object. Tell me, sir, now it will save or not save? We are creating lookup relationship now. This field will save or not save?
It will say
Why?
parent is not
Parent is
mandatory.
Parent is not mandatory, right, sir? Parent ఉంటే ఉండొచ్చు లేకపోతే లేదు. Yes or no? So that's why it is saved. So now if I want to convert that lookup to master, మనకి ఏం సార్ main ఏంటి కావాలి సార్? What is the main thing now? If I want to convert that field lookup field to master detail, what is our main goal now? If you want to convert lookup to master, ఏం చేయాలి? Parent data ఉండాలి. Yes or no? In the master, parent is mandatory or not mandatory?
It's mandatory.
So if I want to convert that lookup to master, what we can do? For all this existing student, I can add a which one? ఏం యాడ్ చేయాలి సార్?
Course field.
కోర్స్ యాడ్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్. Okay, this is again one more problem. Already why it is not coming immediately? It is taking time every time. Nowadays, it's happening. Okay, click edit. So I'll try to populate course. Control Shift plus R. Okay. So we need to populate course for all the students. Okay. Once you populate course for all the students, then what will happen? You can easily change it because now all the students have a courses. So in the master detail, parent is mandatory. So now parent is there for all the students. You can convert easily. Okay. Click save. So Tilak Verma is done. I'll open all the records one time. Okay. I'll click edit. Subhari, tell me, Subhari, why you are populating all the courses now for all the students?
sir.
Why we are populating course field in all the students? ఎందుకు populate చేస్తున్నాం సార్?
Like we need a
We need a
parent.
Sanjay sir, why you are populating all the courses now for the students? Neha, why we are populating? Medium is required. Okay. Malakshmi, why we are populating course for all the students now?
Student is a child object. We need a parent object in master details.
Correct.
That's why.
Okay. Yeah. Now I want to convert this course to the which one? Master detail. Correct. So to convert course to master detail, all the child should have a parent. If there is no parent, means that is not master detail. Ante kada. So in the master detail, parent is mandatory. If there is no parent, means that is not master detail. So that's why first convert all the populate for all the students with the course. Okay. This click on students. Okay. If you click tab, you can see one student name here, right? If you want to see other fields also here, we have option here. Here you can see pencil thing. Display list view controls. Here we have we'll get one option called edit columns. So you are not getting edit columns here. So this is because of all the D1. If you take all the records, this another list if you take. Here you can see the edit select fields to display. Okay, click on this one. So currently I'm displaying student name only. So I want to display course. I want to display teacher also here. Some other fields, whatever you want, you can type. I'll take only 3 fields, click save. Now you can see 3 columns here, right? So how we can add? Just select the list view. You cannot modify the recent view. This is by default Salesforce is providing, so you cannot modify it. So this means you can see only latest record. If you want to modify other layouts, you can just select all. Here there is an option called select fields to display, so that we can see which fields important fields in the here only. So now all the students have a courses. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can we convert now lookup to master detail?
Yes.
Or no?
Yes.
చాలా డౌట్ గా చెప్తారా ఎస్ ఆర్ నో చెప్పండి మేడం గట్టిగా చెప్పండి ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు సో యు ఆర్
Yes, sir.
సమ్వేర్ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో సమ్వేర్ ఒకరు
Yes,
ఈవెన్
sir.
వీఆర్ నాట్ ఇన్ సేమ్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఆల్సో ఎందుకు సో గట్టిగా మాట్లాడండి సో తప్పు అయితే ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు మేడం సో ఎన్ని తప్పులు చేస్తే అంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ అవుతాం మనం స్పీక్ లౌడ్లీ ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఏం చేయాలంటే మాట్లాడాలి టిల్ యూ గెట్ జాబ్ జాబ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత సైలెంట్గా ఉండండి ఓకేనా ఎందుకంటే జాబ్ వచ్చి నీకు ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడినా కూడా వర్క్ ఎక్కువ ఇస్తారు కాబట్టి యూ క్యాన్ స్పీక్ లెస్ బట్ టిల్ యూ గెట్ జాబ్ అట్లీస్ట్ మీరు మాట్లాడాలి అట్లీస్ట్ ఓకే కోర్స్ మీరు ఇంకా ప్రమోషన్స్ అవి కావాలి యూ కెన్ స్పీక్ మోర్ ఇన్ ద ఆఫీస్ ఆల్సో ఓకే హౌ యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు ద fields and relationship open course field here there is option here click edit right you can click on this edit option here you can see the change field type click on this so which fields you need to change sir look up to
Master detail relationship.
master detail click next again same thing you don't need to change any other thing click the save tell me sir now if I click save this will save or not save
It will save.
It will save.
pakka sir save or it will throw any error message like again this child this student object is having existing records that existing records don't have a parent like that you will get any message or it will save
No, it will get saved.
it will save madam why already existing records also have all the existing records also have a course data so it will not throw any error message okay
Yeah.
so చాలా కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా మనం సేవ్ చేయొచ్చు ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు Correct? Save now. You can see now. Course is a which relationship now?
Master
Master
detail.
detail. So now onwards you will not get any issues, sir. మీకు ఇప్పటి నుంచి అయితే ఏం ప్రాబ్లం రాదు. Why? Now onwards if you create any record, you should select the which one?
Parent
Now
record
onwards
course.
parent record is mandatory. Now onwards. Okay. See, if you click save, this is the error message. I'll choose an example. Friend name is Hemalata. Click save. It will not save because now onwards we don't have any issues because it is mandatory to set the course. So when we have issues, if you want to create master data relationship, first thing what you have to check is, if you want to create master data relationship in Salesforce, what you have to check first is, check first that child records is having any records or not. If child records don't have any, if this object don't have any child records, then no issues. You can create directly master data relationship. In case if child object is having records, what will happen, sir? Emotadi, can we create a master detail if child is having already records?
No.
Yes.
No,
No.
sir.
Why?
No, sir. It already
Why,
has
sir?
a record.
Child is already having record. So now if you create a master detail, what will happen in child record, that existing record? So my parent ledu, how you can create a master detail now? Like that they will ask. Okay, sir. అందుకని if child records are there, you cannot create a master detail. So in case if child records also there, you want to create master detail, ఏం చేయాలి? If child records also there, if you want to create master detail,
Lookup
what is the option?
relationship.
Yeah, first create lookup, populate child parent data, then what we can do? Convert it to the
Master detail.
master detail. Clear, everyone? అర్థమైంది కదా? Okay. For example, now we have a 6 records. Okay, sir. You can create lookup. You can populate the data. In case if you have 10,000 records, in case if you have 1 lakh records, so in that case, what you can do is, so instead of doing manual work, what we can do, we have some tools in Salesforce like data loader and all. Okay. By using that tools also, we can update bulk records. Which tools we have? Data loader and import wizard. Okay. So now we have only 6 records. 6 records ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి what I did is just I did updated manually. అర్థమవుతుందా సార్? Understand? In case if you have a bulk data like a lakhs of data, then you cannot go each record, you cannot update it. Understand? So that time what we can do is we can use this tool to update a bulk data. Okay, we'll discuss that topic later, but just I'm saying, in case if you have bulk data, what you can do by using these tools, we can update all the records at one time. Okay, so now we have only 5-6 records. That's why I'm doing manually. Okay, sir. Okay. So now we'll see now all the points one by one. This is okay. It is tightly coupled. Okay. So this is mandatory. Just now we seen, right? If you create a new student, if there is no course, we cannot save it. We have seen this option. Okay. And this is straightforward. You can create only 2 master details per object. You cannot create more than that. Okay. So now if you open student record and teacher record, we can see. I'll open student here. I'll open course side by side. So now you can see this is a parent, I mean master record. This is a child record. Okay. The child record have any owner fields are now? Owner data is there? Is there owner field? Previously this owner fields are there. Now what is there? కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు ఓనర్ ఫీల్డ్ కనిపిస్తుంది సార్ ఇక్కడ డేటా ఉందా లేదా?
No, sir.
So previously all the fields have owner field. Now there is no owner
No, sir.
data here. So why there is no owner data here is, so whenever we create a master data relationship from child to parent, so parent, so who is the owner for here? Same owner can control the child records also. That's why we are saying this is a tightly coupled. Okay. So sharing settings, for example, assume I'm Varaprasad. If I'm a owner here, right? If I have this record, I can create, edit, modify, delete. I have full permissions on this record. Okay. I am having full permissions on this record. So what will happen? Automatically, this course related students also have full permissions. Full permissions. Ardhamavutunda? Everyone is following what I'm saying? So in the master detail, parent, everything is controlled by parent only. If I am the owner here, so Varaprasad is the owner for all these records also. Ardhamavutunda, sir, everyone what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Say yes or no, sir. Edo cheppandi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what you understood,
sir.
sir? Tell me, sir. Sir, what you understood?
Yeah, everything controlled by parents, sir. Every child.
Parent record. Yeah. In which
If
relationship,
we,
sir?
yes,
In which
master
relationship?
detail.
In lookup?
Master
Yeah.
detail.
Exactly. In the master detail.
Master
So who,
detail.
for example, assume Sharath. Okay. Sharath,
Everything.
example, Sharath is
Parent.
having this record access, course access. So then automatically will get this
Yes.
student's access also will get. For example, if you take Sumalata is having this course access, then automatically she will get this access also. Understand, sir? So everything is controlled by parent in the master detail relationship. That's why after creating master detail relationship, childs by default don't have owner field. Why? By default they don't have owner field. Whoever the owner for the parent record, master record, he is the owner for the child records also. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we'll do now is I'll go to the courses. I'll try to delete MCA. So for MCA, how many students are there now? ఎంత మంది students ఉన్నారు sir for MCA కి?
One.
Only one.
Who is the student now here? Tilak Verma, na? Okay, I'll open Tilak Verma record side by side. I'll delete this course MCA. So if I delete course, what happened to student? Tilak Verma untada or he will also delete?
No.
Huh?
Delete. Delete.
Say loudly, sir. చెప్పండి గట్టిగా చెప్పండి.
Child also delete.
Child also delete. Why?
Because the course itself is, I mean, we have deleted the course itself.
Okay. Why if I delete course, why students are deleting?
If there is no course, there won't be any students in general also in that college.
Because
Yeah.
course is a master data relationship.
Yeah, madam. You are giving example, okay. But here the concept is master detail concept, right? You have to say that one. Master detail, right? Normally master detail means what? Parent is not there, child also will not there. Will delete. If the hospital is not there, why again we will maintain patient's data? Hospital close చేసాం అనుకోండి. Close means completely shut down. Okay. So patients also we need to maintain. Now if I go to the student record, if I refresh the page, it will show the message. This record is deleted. This record is deleted. Even though we have not deleted, it is showing like okay, record is not available. Why it is showing record is not available? Because just now we have deleted course, automatically students also delete. So where we can check the deleted records? ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి మనం ఇందాక డిలీట్ చేసిన రికార్డ్స్ మొత్తం? Where we can check that records?
Recycle bin.
Recycle bin. In the recycle bin, now tell me, you can see both course or student, or you can see only course?
Both. Course or
Only course.
Only course only. But you cannot see child's data. You can see there is only course. You cannot see the student data. Okay? In the recycle bin, we can see only parent records. You cannot see the child record. Okay. How many days this records will be there in the recycle bin? Anyone, sir? How many days it will be there, sir, after deleting records in the recycle bin?
Maybe 1 month.
15 days, madam. Okay. 15 days will be there in the recycle bin, in the trash. After 15 days, it will be permanently removed. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Now, if I'll restore it, what will happen, madam?
Student
So
record
only
also
post
will
will come
get
or students also will come?
I think both the relationship.
Both student also.
Both records will come or only one record will come now?
Both the
Exactly. Both will come. Okay. Now MCA also will come. And that MCA related students also will come. You can see now fill up for my will back. Understand, sir? Understand, na? What will happen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this also you know now. If you delete parent record, child also delete automatically. If you undelete means if you restore the parent record, if you restore parent record, child also will come automatically. Okay, sir. Okay. This is we can discuss roll-up summary field later. Okay. This is called master detail relationship. Anyone have any questions? అర్థమైందా ఈ టాపిక్స్ ఈ పాయింట్స్ మొత్తం? Okay. The main thing is what you need to understand is if child record is having record, if child have a existing records, we cannot create MD relationship. ఎందుకంటే because that child already don't have parent, so you cannot create it. Then what's the option we have, sir? Option 1. ఏం ఆప్షన్ ఉంది మనకు? If childs have existing records, we cannot create MD. ఏం చేయాలి సార్ అప్పుడు? How we can create MD if childs have records also?
Create lookup. Yes,
Correct. Create lookup first, and then ఏం చేయాలి? Lookup create చేసిన తర్వాత after creating lookup relationship.
Then
And
assign
then
the
master,
value of what it
Correct. Then assign the value. I mean parent value. Then
change that field from lookup to
Correct.
master data.
master
then
detail.
change to lookup to master. Okay. In case it don't have child have no record, sir. Okay. In case assume this student is not having any record, even one record also not there. Can you create master detail? Child lo em record levu, sir. Can you create directly master relationship?
Yes.
Yes. We can create it because there is no issues. Because there is no child, you will not get any issues. Okay. When you will get issues, if child is having, then not a problem. Understand, sir? Okay. That is called master data relationship. Yes. Now we have one more relationship. Already we discussed this one in the initial days. Many to many. Anyone, sir? What's the meaning of many to many? Initial days we discussed that one starting Salesforce discussion. We discussed already Salesforce topics. What is many to many?
One product have a multiple price boxes, same as one price book have a multiple products, sir.
Correct.
By default, Salesforce support the one to many relationships, sir. We need to link many to many relationship way. We need to a junction object, sir.
Correct. Right. Okay. Directly we cannot create a many to many relationship between the two objects. Okay. Normally, many to many means so one product can have multiple price books, right? One price book can have a multiple products, right? That is called many to many relationship. Both options, right? So in this case, what we can do is so one branch can have multiple courses. ఉండొచ్చా ఒక బ్రాంచ్ లో మల్టిపుల్ కోర్సెస్ ఉండొచ్చా ఉండకూడదు సార్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ assume we have some branch in Hyderabad or USA branch is there. So in the USA branch we have courses called MBA, MCA, MBBS and etc. So now this one branch is having how many courses? Multiple. Correct? Similarly, one course is available in multiple branches. So USA branch also there this course. UK branch also have this course. India branch also we have a same course, etc. 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 If you see now, USA branch we have a different courses. One branch, multiple courses. One course, multiple branches. This concept is nothing but what, sir?
Many to many.
Many to many relationships. But the problem is you cannot create like directly a many to many relationship between the two objects directly, branch and course. To connect branch and course, what you have to do? We have to use the one junction object. Okay. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll take a student is the junction object. Okay. Already student have a relationship to the course. Yes, sir. Yes or no? Existing already student and course have relationship or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what we can do? Again, I will create one more relationship from student to which object? Branch. Branch object in the already one. No, right? So first we'll create object now. So how we can create new object? How we can create new object?
Edit object.
Edit object. Go to the object manager. Create custom object. So what I can do, sir? I'll take your name is a branch. Okay. So I'll take branch name is the default field. Enable all these fields now. I want to create tab immediately. So what you can do? You can use this option. If you unselect this one, what will happen, sir? Can you create tab immediately? Search, huh? If I uncheck, if I click save button, what will happen? If you create only object or tab? It will create both. If I click save button, it will create only object or it will create both object and tab?
Only object.
Only object, right, sir? We have not set this option.
Yes.
If we set this option, we can create tab also immediately. So in case I'll set the tab color is something like this. Click next. So default on. Don't do any changes now, but just give as is now. This tab also should be visible to all the profiles in the organization. Click next. So in which application we want to include this one, sir?
Narayana.
Click save. Okay. So now we have branch also. So we can get more fields, but I am not creating now. We can get more fields in the branch also. Branch name, branch ID, okay, branch phone number, like that you can get many fields. Now I'm just creating only one field. I'll use that field only. You can create here in the branch so many fields: branch name, branch address, branch phone number, branch email ID, point of something like that. You can create as many as. But I'm not creating all. You can create while practicing. I'll name it as a USA branch. Save and new. What is the difference between save and new, sir? What is the difference in this one and this one? Difference in this save and new.
Save and new, it will open new tab.
Correct. If you click save and new, what will happen? this record will save. Again, we'll get the same screen to create a new record. If I click this one, record will save only. The only record will save, it will not open the screen again. Understand, sir? అర్థమైందా? Okay. So now my requirement is I want to create a many-to-many between the student and branch. I want to create a relationship, student and branch. So I want to create a master detail. Can we create now student and branch master detail? Can we create a master detail between student and teacher? I mean branch. Yes or no?
No,
No. Why no?
because the student has all records already.
Correct. Child object is already having record. We cannot create master detail relationship. Then what is the option, man?
First, we need to do the lookup relationship between student and branch.
Correct. How we can create new lookup relationship? Next. Which object, madam? Branch.
Branch.
Click next. I'll give the same name. Click next. Visible to everyone. Click next. So adding branch field in the student layout. So similarly, students related list we need to add into the branch object also, branch layout also. Click save. The next step, madam. Next step.
We need to fill the branch with values.
Branch. Correct. Okay. So select all list view. Select place to display. Select branch here. Okay, student, course, branch, teacher. Save. Now we can see branch field out here. I'll choose India branch, UK branch. This is very good option, sir. Instead of going each record, just you can add in this table only. You can modify all the record. You can choose it. We can save bulk records at a time here. So India branch, UK branch, UK branch, India branch. Here, India. Click save. So this is easy, right? Instead of going to each record. Now all the records are selected. I have updated at a time one time. Instead of going. Yes or no? Hello? Ardhamayindi, sir, what I did here. So this is option is available in this Salesforce. You can select all the records. You can add branch field. How you can add here branch field in this list view? Here there is option called select place to display. So you can add branch from here to here. You can up and down. So you can see if I want to go up, you can go up. If you want to go down, you can go whatever which field you want to display first. All this. Right? Now all the students have branches. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is our main target here? We need to understand the relationship between many to many. Now if you observe, I'll make it this. Okay. I'll just change for the Surya Kumar Ada, I will change okay. Click edit. So you can see. Can we change now, sir? Can we change that course? After if you see here, taking time, we take all the list, all records. Can we modify this one? After assigning course, again I want to change one more course. For example, by mistake I added MBA here. Actually, Surya Kumar Ada also belongs to MCA, but by mistake I added MBA at the time of creating student record. Can we change?
No, sir. It is locked.
It is locked. But this is also master data, but it is not locked. This is also master data, it is not locked. Why this is locked? Why it is not locked?
Course is a parent, sir. Parent object. It is the master detail
This
relationship.
Okay. Correct. That is one thing. Okay. So first we'll do one thing. I'll change this branch also. Madam. We can convert now lookup to master. Change as ipudu. Yes or no? Can we convert now branch lookup to master, or we cannot? Can we convert now or not? Change cheyachha madam. చెప్పండి సార్, చేయొచ్చా లేదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? కెన్ వి డూ ఆర్ నాట్? తెలుగు అడిగిన ఇంగ్లీష్ చెప్పండి.
Can we do?
Yeah, we can do. Why, sir? Why we can do now? Why we cannot previously?
We are populated that mandatory.
Correct. So we have populated all the branches for the existing record. Now we can change it. We don't have any issue. Click next. Click save. Now again go to the student tab. If you now refresh the page, can we change now? Branch also locked. This also locked. So the problem is, once at the time of creation of student record, if you select the master detail field, you cannot change again. Okay, but our requirement is we need to change it again. Okay, I need option to change. Even by mistake I have created, but I want to do in future also. Every time I want to change again this branches of courses. But this one you can see, lookup is you can do anything, whatever you want. That is a loosely coupled. To do this option, we have option. If you go to the fields, student fields, go to the course, right? So here you can click edit once. So there is an option. What is this? What is this one, sir? Can someone read this message?
Child records can be reparented to other parent records after they are created.
Correct. So previously, once you create a child with parent, that means in the master detail, you cannot reparent. You cannot change the parent. You cannot change the parent. But still, our requirement is we need to change the parent. We have to enable this option. Once you enable this option, now Salesforce will give the freedom. You can change parent also. Refresh the page. So now we are getting freedom for the course, not for branch. So what I'll do is I'll change this to the instead of MCA, I'll change MCA. Okay. So now our topic is many to many. Now if you observe now, MCA can have, if you take UK branch, one branch is there in multiple courses. In the UK branch, we have MCA. Unda UK lo? Yes or no? In the UK, we have MCA or not?
Yes, we have.
In the same UK branch, we have MBA also.
Yes.
So one branch can have multiple courses.
Yes.
So similarly, so MBA is there in India.
Yes.
So MCA is there in India also. Sorry, yeah,
Yes.
even UK also. We have MCA is there, MBA is there.
And India.
So MCA you can see in both the places. UK also there, India also there. So one course can have multiple branches. So similarly, one branch can have multiple courses. UK you can have MBA also, MCA also. I'm just giving only two types, but in the real time you can create MCA, MBA, MBBS, whatever you want. You can create multiple courses all this. But to connect this many-to-many relationship in Salesforce, we have to use the junction object. That is nothing but a child object. Which is the junction object here? Student. Student is the junction object, we can call it. Understand everyone what is the many-to-many relationship now? అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్?
Yes, sir.
So now student is having how many master details now? ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి సార్?
2 master details.
Can we create one more master detail now in the student?
No.
No.
Why?
It has only 2 in master detail.
For object
Can we create one more student detail now?
master.
No.
No. So why, sir? It is disabled. Already 2 is there.
Yes.
So that 2 is completed. So we cannot create master detail. How many lookups you can create per object?
25.
25 lookups. But master details is only 6. So that's all for today. So tomorrow we'll discuss one more relationship and other important skills. Okay. But please complete assignment, sir. Till now, whatever we discussed, please complete it. And if you are not practicing, it is difficult, sir. Okay. Practice 10 for all the things. Self lookup, master, and management. Complete this assignment. So just use the same notes every day. Okay. I'll not, here only I can add all the notes. You can use same link. Okay. Thanks everyone, sir. We'll connect tomorrow.
Thanks.
Thank you.